sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Soft and fluffy, beautiful wool. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Down the lane, down the lane. Little boy lives down the lane. Ba, black sheep, have you more today? Yes, sir, I'm happy to say. Yes, sir, happy and bright, sharing my wool from morning to night. Ba, black sheep, soft as can be, thank you for sharing with you and with me. Thank you, sheep, kind and fluffy, sweet little sheep.